This is Amcor Felxibles Europe at Ghent in Belgium. They are a worldwide packaging group, and at Ghent they produce flexible packaging for both the food and non-food industries. An enormous quantity of plastic waste is generated from each machine. They installed 3 Mil-tek Model 306Es and later 4 Mil-tek Model 509s. They already had compressed air, so installation was easy. They have a volume reduction of 7:1, and now they use less internal transport. They now save the cost of 6 containers, and it's their aim to have a Mil-tek baler at each machine.